Hello, Brent from Microsoft Mesh again. Now that we have all the tools we need, let's prepare our project. We want to add our project to the Unity Hub. You can see I already have mine here. You can add yours by going up here and clicking the Add button and navigating to that folder. But since I've already done that, I'll just click this and we'll go ahead and get started. Now that we have our project open, let's go ahead and open the starting point scene. Double click on that and it open it up and you'll see these beautiful sphere terraces here. We are in the middle of a large grassy field and we don't really want our users going out here trying to walk all the way over to that windmill. So the way we keep them from doing that is by adding something called a NavMesh layer to these sphere terraces and not adding it to the grass. The NavMesh layer allows users to teleport to an area. And so by having it here, they can teleport around inside of it, but they can't teleport outside of it. You go up here to layer and you go down to NavMesh layer and it is now good to go. I already have this set up on this other sphere terrace, so we don't need to worry about it. And at this point, we're ready to start testing our interactions. We can click play to jump into our emulator, which will get us going inside of this scene. And this brings in a couple of stand-in avatars. You'll see here we have this pop-up that says play mode setup missing, but that's because our first time running it. We want to add our working play mode setup prefab to this scene. It'll start to import it and then we'll be ready to go. As I was saying, this will bring in some stand-in avatars that we can use to test the interactions here and see how we feel about our experience, all while staying inside of Unity and having a quick developer loop that we can iterate in. And here we are. Okay, so now our green person can look down and see that the blue person is picking up these wind turbines, and knocked one over, and moving them around. So we have this networked physics where both people can interact with these objects and you can see what they're doing on the other scene. At this point, you're ready to go and test your environment and see how you like it. And once you're ready to upload it to Mesh, you can exit play mode. And the next thing you want to do is we want to add an image that will kind of capture what we're showing here. So it's easier for people to understand what the environment is going to be just from an image. To do that, right click in the hierarchy, go down to Mesh Toolkit and click on Thumbnail Camera. And this will bring in this Mesh Thumbnail Camera. And once we have that in here, we can grab it and move it to say, okay, this is the shot I want. This down here is the image I want to have to convey this experience for people that are going to use this environment. And what I've just shown you is our basic developer loop. From here, you can continue to work on your experience or go ahead and publish it to Mesh when you are ready.